Welcome to our latest video where we'll explore the fascinating world of data analysis and visualization using the powerful programming language R. In this video, we'll cover key aspects of data analysis and visualization. We'll start by generating a synthetic dataset, examining its structure, and visualizing it with bar charts, histograms, and box plots. We'll learn how to identify missing values and outliers, transform data for better analysis, and summarize it for valuable insights. Additionally, we'll delve into hypothesis testing, comparing the mean GPA of students from different countries, and perform a correlation analysis between GPA and test scores. By leveraging the versatility of R, you'll be able to unlock the potential of your data and make informed decisions. Whether you're a student, researcher, or data enthusiast, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of data analysis using R. Join us in this exciting journey of exploring the world of data analysis and visualization with R. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy analyzing! For more in-depth insights, check out our companion article in the description below.